This is the room tour for the room 8661 on the Independence of the Seas. It's an interior connecting room connecting to room 8663. And we'll start inside the room at the desk. Behind our water, we have the European plug. And it was a nice sized desk, by the way. We have all our crap up there. This is later on the first day here. I'm sharing a room with my mother and my daughter. So I'm just finding this storage, and there is storage on both sides. And we did get the interior connecting because it is 6 of us total, so it's the girls in one and boys in the other. I have my 4 kids, so my 3 boys are in the other room, and me, my mother, and my daughter are in this room. We have the drawers. That's the blow dryer. We don't use that. These do get filled up. There's one right here. It's a nice chair right there. Trash. My daughter's jacket. Move my crap out of the way. See, my mom and my daughter got all set up with all their pluggy thickies everywhere. More drawers. This one has a vent in it. It was just clothes everywhere. Here's the freezer. This is a cooler. It is not a refrigerator. So just FYI, this isn't a refrigerator. So we did have to keep getting ice because it didn't get any. It doesn't get anything cold, and it doesn't really keep anything cold either. Look at all that mess. None of that is mine either. Above the TV, there's a little storage area. And the TV does come out and it swivels around, and our TV actually wasn't working. Our steward Philip came in and fixed it for us. But it does come out and swivel around and things so that we can everyone can see it from wherever. But that's the desk area, and it's a nice size. It's 3 of us, so it worked out fine. There's the mirror that got monopolized and we had to fight over it. Mostly me and my daughter. And the chair that basically held all of our stuff because that's where all clothes got thrown onto. And that's where my mom slept, and my daughter slept above her, and then I slept over on the side. And there's another mirror, and it also has a shelf on it. That's where my daughter discovered that. And that's where all her crap started to go. So like her iPad, no, her tablet, her phone, and hair bows, and everything was up there. The lights do not have a USB slot, so you can't charge your phone from the bed, but it's cool. I had an extender thing, so we were all set. I didn't know how to turn on lights, so this is me just discovering how to turn these lights on. So when my daughter found this out, she was all in for it. And it's pretty nice. They were extremely bright. I like the lights. I'll move on up to the closet area, which it is a small closet, but it works for what it is for this room. They had a lot of shelves in here. Most of them were taken up. So there's the safe, and then there were a lot of life jackets in here. So there's a life jacket taking up a shelf, and then there's 2 down below, which is taking up a shelf, and then there's like 2 or 3 up top, uh, which I think that's where they go. After all of that, there are 3 extra shelves, and the top one's my mom, the middle one's my mom, my daughter's, and then the other one is mine. So it worked out fine. And then for the space, there was enough space for all of us to hang our clothes. So I'm in the back, my daughter's in the middle, and my mom's in the front. So all of our clothes hung up in there fine. and there was enough hangers. We didn't have to ask for any more. Everything fit, including my mother's suitcase and my daughter's suitcase fit in there, plus my mother's book bag. My suitcase went under my bed, though, however, which is fine. Uh, it fit. It fit under the bed. So, and like I said, this is the first day, so everything's not put away yet. We're gonna move on into the bathroom. Oh, there's two hooks in the hallway too, by the way, which is very convenient. Open the door. There are hooks on the door. I like this. This is actually, I love this. The hooks on the door. So I just hung up my bag just to show you. The bathroom is a typical cruise cabin bathroom. Watch your step or you're gonna hurt yourself. Lots of mirror, lots of space. It's clean. It's a bathroom. There's a plug up high for the gentleman who likes to, shave up their beards and whatnot. But it's a restroom. No, bathroom. So it has everything. It's a tad bit smaller than what I'm used to. Just a tiny bit smaller. It's only one cabinet right here. It was sufficient enough since my daughter uses all of my stuff. Then there's a shelf down below. And trust me, we utilize all the space in this cabin. The toilet is a toilet. Everybody knows about the toilet, the suction cup toilet. The shower did not have a shower curtain, and we all love that. But I don't know if I like this type of shower, but it kind of worked. The height is the height. I'm 5'9". It was fine. My son is 6'3". He didn't say anything about it, because you can raise the shower thing. So he got clean, so it worked. It was fine. It was sufficient. It did what it needed to do. Walk out. There is the mirror, and right next door is my children who are in there right now. And the noise on that, you can hear everything that happens in the other room if you get a connecting room. Here, I'm going to show you exactly the noise level. Wait a minute. Let's show you. This is a inside cabin that is connecting to another cabin. So, if you enjoyed the video, give me a like. If you didn't, it's alright. See you later. Love you. Subscribe.